Emax Plastics. Emax Plastics, Western Canada's leader in custom docks, plastic manufacturing, and custom molding. Since 1978, Emax Plastics has grown from a family business into an industry leader with unbeatable quality, pricing, and customer service. Emax Plastics has been providing docks and dock kits for Canadian parks, provincial parks, marinas, and other commercial businesses for decades. And now we're bringing it home. Have it your way, make it you. We want to help you get the dock that fits your needs, one that will serve you and your family for decades to come. Today, Emax Plastics is featuring, from our Aquamax line of marine products, docks and DIY dock kits.
Hello, my name's Dan. I'm with Emax Plastics. I'd like to introduce our line of Aquamax docks and dock kits. Today we're going to go over some of the highlights that I believe make our product the best there is on the market.
What makes the best there is out there on the market the best? Well, let's start out with quality. The floats are made with commercial-grade, UV-enhanced lineal low-density polyethylene, a nearly indestructible material. It's rotationally molded that strengthens the float and completely seals and makes it airtight. The hardware consists of heavy-duty galvanized brackets, 1/8 inch on the inside corners and 3/16 on the outside. Our carriage bolts come standard with nylock nuts that never loosen up. How else does Aquamax products stand out above our competitors? Superior design. The outside brackets have 1/4 inch galvanized tabs, both male and female, mounted to them, providing much more lateral strength and stability. Also, the floats are designed to build the dock upright, so should in the event of a dock breach, like, for example, a boat rams into the dock, damaging the float, there's no need to remove the whole dock or turn it upside down. Simply take off the dock boards above the breached area, submerge your damaged float, and either replace it or repair it. What's the difference between air-filled and foam-filled floats? Well, our floats are air-filled for a reason. Simply repair any damaged float with LLDPE welding products. Voila! What's the difference between a 16-inch float and a 20-inch float? Our standard floats and even most commercial docks are 16 inches. Each 24 by 48 by 16-inch float provides 500 pounds of flotation and roughly 12 inches of freeboard. Freeboard is the height from the top of the dock to the water level. So a 16-inch 6-float kit with 500 pounds of flotation would hold 3,000 pounds of weight. Of course, you'll want to include the deckwood weight in that. And depending on your applications and on how many people you believe will be standing on the dock, you may consider a 20-inch float. Each 24 by 48 by 20-inch float is good for 600 pounds of flotation and roughly 16 inches of freeboard. So you decide, 16 or 20 inches. Okay, so now that we know why we're the best, what's next? Well, what's in a kit? We have two basic kits, a 4-float kit and a 6-float kit. Depending on the size you get, it will include floats, all your hardware, brackets, a complete concise set of instructions, as well as a cut list based on the size you're buying. Everything you need will come right on a pallet, shrink-wrapped, and delivered to your door straight from our Canadian plant. All you have to do is provide your own lumber and deck scrays. There are many diagrams on our website to give you some ideas and better guide you on the dock of your desire. From a 4 by 16-foot dock to a 10-foot by 12-foot platform to a 12 by 12-foot swimming dock, or bigger or smaller. Have it your way. If you have any more questions or need advice on your deck needs, you can call Travis at 780-992-1793.
Built by boaters for boaters. We firmly believe this is by far best product, commercial grade, that your home DIY builder can buy and assemble by himself with our detailed instructions and material cut lists.
Commercial grade products for your residential needs, made to last. If you have any questions, you can call Travis at 780-992-1793. Visit our website at emaxplastics.ca or emaxplastics.com. In our upcoming video, we would like to show you our recycle program. We love our beautiful country and do our part to utilize recycled materials as well as take other measures to keep our country and air clean. Emax Plastics, built by boaters for boaters.